Hello, have you heard the expression in relation to potatoes, sow your early's late and sow your late's early? Have you heard that expression? I think what they're trying to say is that if you sow your late's early, you give them a longer growing season, and if you sow your early's late, you miss the colder spring months. You actually sow them at the beginning of summer, and that's something I've just done with my fridge potatoes. There's a couple of videos on the channel shows you me storing early potatoes in a fridge for 4 months and then sowing them. So here's another hands up. Hands up anyone that's sown early potatoes any later than the middle of June. No, I didn't think so. That's it then, I've won. I've sowed these potatoes in the middle of June, and it's only the first week in July now, so these potatoes have only been in these pots for 2 to 3 weeks. Let me show you the progress in 2 to 3 weeks. This is a potato called Rocket. 2 to 3 weeks, it was in the bottom of that pot. Look at it now. This is Home Guard. Yep. 2 to 3 weeks ago it wasn't even in a pot. Look at it now. That's because it's growing in the summer months. And this is Maris Bard. Hope you're getting all these. This is Maris Bard. Look at the size of that. It's only been in that pot about 3 weeks. Unbelievable. That's 3 summer weeks. The weather's been warmer, it's been kinder to these early potatoes than it was to the ones that went in March. Oh, Tess has come out to see you. Hello Tess. We've got Tess staying with us this week. She's a beauty. Come round here Tess. Good girl. And Molly. This dog's faster than Usain Bolt, trust me. It's a flying machine. She's new to gardening, but boy can she run, can't you sweetheart? Come along here, come on. Hey, look at that. There. Good girl. Come on then, out the way. So that's it then. So we've sown our early's late, and they're flying. They're absolutely flying. They're not as fast as this dog, but they're flying. Okay, that's Homegrown Veg, signing out. Hey, pack it in.